Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can join the Photoroom community. Go ahead and open Photoroom, which is on your phone. Now tap on your content and tap on the question mark icon. Scroll down and you can see beneath more there is Ask the Community. Tap on it and it will lead you to this Facebook group where you can tap on Join Group and you can write down what do you use Photoroom for. So go ahead and write down content or something like that. It will ask you how did you find about Photoroom. Go ahead and write down Google Play and tap on I agree to read the post and tap on I agree to group rules. Scroll down and press submit. This way you can join the Photoroom community. After your membership has been approved, you will join into Photoroom community, which is on Facebook. I hope this video about how you can join Photoroom community was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.